Hey guys, so I just wanted to check out some earphones here. These are the Vomelon V6 Bluetooth earbuds, and I think they're sports oriented, gym kind of stuff here. So we're going to check them out and have a look at them. You can see they come with a very nice colour here. Certainly a colour that you'll notice. So you get a pouch here as well, which is very nice. You get obviously your charging cable, not that you probably need that, it takes the old style USB, and a manual, but we don't read manuals here, so we're going to have a look at the trinket here and see if we can get it working. So this comes with a dialer button on the edges here, so you can pick up calls quite easily. Volume up and down button as well, as you can see. And we do have like a kind of rubber here which goes around. And they feel quite solid. The actual wire is quite thick. If we can get this to focus, there you go. So it doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything. And I guess this is the charging port here. Oh, there we go. Can you see that? Maybe you can't, but I can. So very nice looking construction here. Obviously they're very affordable, so you're not going to get the most premium of build qualities, but you can see there's no big kind of hefty thing in the middle here. It's all wire, so it's not going to get in the way of your workout. We're just going to see if we can power it up here and see how it is. So which one is the on button? That is the question. Oh, nice. And I think it's searching at the moment, so we're going to use Zenfone number 3. And let's see, Bluetooth on. Let's have the Bluetooth on. Oh, JLBT. That could be it. Why are you taking me to dual SIM settings? So I guess it assigns it to a SIM maybe. But we are connected, and we're going to check out some music here and see how they sound. So where's the music? Can't remember where the music is. So it's on here somewhere. I think we don't have stock music player anymore, so maybe we have some Asus. No, we don't. Wow. So they don't have the best of bass, but they are certainly good in terms of the loudness. And I'm guessing these buttons you can use to turn them down or up. And that pauses it. So you're all sorted. And they have very good feedback actually on Amazon. 102 good reviews, so you know, people are enjoying them here. So yeah, just a quick little review of the Vomelon V6 Bluetooth noise cancelling earphones here. I think we get some nice stuff, like 100 mAh battery. I forgot to mention that, so that's 5 hours talk time and play time, hi-fi sound. So pretty good, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check them out. and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.